In this video, I will show you how to download Battlefield 6. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get Battlefield 6, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com, and in the Google search for download Battlefield 6. Then what you want to do is click onto the top result, so this is going to take you across to ea.com, and what you need to do first is enter your date of birth. Once you've done that, click submit underneath, and that's going to take you to the game page. Now from here, you want to click onto the buy now button, to the orange buy now button. What that's going to do is take you across to a page like this, and there's a few different platforms that this is available from. So what you want to do is come over to the right hand side of the game trader. You're going to see an orange select platform button, so give that a click, and then you can choose how you want to get Battlefield 6. So you've got the option to use the EA app. You can get this on Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, or the Epic Games Store, so it's completely up to you. Now for the purpose of this, I'm going to continue to Steam Store because that's what I prefer to use. And it's going to take us to the game page for Battlefield 6. So from here, all you need to do is scroll down and you're going to see a button to add to cart. You can see there's a couple of different editions, but we're just going to go for the basic base game. So add to cart. Then what you would do is click onto view my cart. And then from here, you can click continue to payment and then go ahead and pay for the game using a payment method. So it does depend on what country you're in, but for myself in the UK, I've got things like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, and PaySafe. So you would basically just choose your preferred method from here, click continue, and then you're going to go ahead and purchase the game. Once you've got the game, if you come up and click onto your games library, you should now see Battlefield 6 showing up in your games library, and it should start installing straight away. If it doesn't automatically install, just simply click onto the game and you're going to see the blue install button. Click onto install, and that's going to go ahead and download Battlefield 6 and install it onto your PC or laptop. So that is how to download Battlefield 6. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.